this video we're going to talk about trimming. Trimming is a very, very useful tool. So to demonstrate, we're going to just draw a few lines. So we'll sketch a few lines on the screen like this, like that, and one like that. So now to trim, this is your trim tool right here. And we're going to go ahead and select that tool, and we're going to talk about two entity, string trim, and quick trim. So let's talk about two entity first. Two entity trimming, you're going to basically select both entities, this one, and it'll trim this end off like that. Okay. So the next one is going to be quick trim. So quick trim is the one I use mostly, and that basically just allows you to trim or click on what you want to disappear. So in the previous two entity trim, we clicked on each line. Here we're going to click on the tail that we want, or this part that we want gone. So click here, click here, click here, click here. Okay. So the next one is going to be a string trim. So a string trim is going to allow you to, it's similar to a two entity trim in that it just allows you to kind of run around a part like that. You don't have to select both lines, you just kind of select each one in the order. Just follow the order all the way around. A little bit quicker way of doing a two entity trim. And that's basic trimming. Again, very important that when you draw something for plasma cutting to go into sheet cam, that it be a closed contour, and trimming is an excellent way to ensure that you have closed contours. Also keep in mind when trimming that the trim tool is actually called the trim extend tool. So it kind of works both ways. So let's draw another. Let's draw some more lines here. So we're going to sketch some lines. I'm going to overlap these, but on this one I'm just going to leave that open, and I'll go ahead and leave this one open. We'll overlap these. Okay, now we're going to use the two entities trim, and this same thing will work either way. The quick trim, I believe quick trim only works on overlapping, but we'll try it. Anyway, two entities. You're going to click here, click here. Notice how it extends the line. When we do this one here, it trims it off. That one trims it. You'll notice this one will actually extend it. So one of the problems that you'll run into, especially with drawings that are sent to you, is that people don't really pay attention to detail when they're drawing, especially sign shops when they're drawing parts that they usually print them. They don't usually send them to be cut. So their drawings usually contain a lot of errors. This is one of them, overlapping lines and open contours. Let's try a quick trim real quick. No, so quick trim is only going to work with overlapping lines like that. If you need to extend, you'll have to use either two entities or string trim. And that's it. Just one last note on trimming. We'll see you in the next video.